Hello, welcome back to Azure's new series Azure Administrator AZ-104. In today's session, we will see about Azure App Services. Azure App Services is an HTTP based service for hosting web application, REST APIs, and mobile backends. Applications run and scale with ease on both Windows and Linux based environment. With app services, you pay for Azure compute resource you use. There are different compute resources we can select according to the need. The compute resource you may you use are determined by app service plan that you run your apps on. We can run multiple Azure apps for redundancy purpose. And then to do redundancy, we have traffic manager. That Azure Traffic Manager is a DNS based traffic load balancer. This service allows to distribute traffic to your public facing application across the global Azure region. Traffic Manager also provide your public endpoint with high availability and quick responsiveness. The Traffic Manager uses a DNS to direct the client request to appropriate service endpoints based on the traffic routing methods. Traffic Manager also provide health monitoring for every endpoint, and the endpoint can be any internet facing service hosted inside or outside Azure. The Traffic Manager provides a range of traffic routing method and endpoint monitoring option to suit the different application needs and automatic failure methods models. Traffic Manager is resilient to failure, including the failure of an entire region, because we are hosting in the different regions. It is a increases application availability because it delivers high availability for your critical application by monitoring your endpoint and providing automatic failure when an endpoint goes down. Improve the application performance. It allows you to run cloud service and websites in data centers located around the world. Traffic Manager can improve the responsiveness of your website by directing traffic to the endpoint with the lowest latency. Service maintenance without downtime is done because when you plan, you have a planned maintenance done on your application without the downtime. Traffic Manager can direct the traffic to alternative endpoint while the maintenance is in progress. A combined hybrid application. Traffic Manager support external non-Azure endpoints, enabling it to be used with hybrid cloud and on-premises deployments. Besides app services, Azure offers other services that can be used for hosting websites and web applications for most scenario. The web app is the best choice. Okay, here we'll be doing the lab for creating the website instances using the app services, Azure app services. We will be using a different data center. We will be creating a different two instances, one in one data center and another data center. Then connecting them by a traffic manager so that the load balance can happen. In case of one endpoint failure, another is also available so that redundancy is assured. So let's see. Let's jump to the configuration of the lab. Here I have logged into my portal. Here we need to have a resource group first. I have already created a resource group. RSG Pro 123 I have. So I will be creating here my app services. So I will go to app service, and here I have to create an app service, web application, static web app plus database, WordPress app service. So many are. So we'll be using a web apps. Okay. The web app service is showing me my subscription is partner network. Then this is source group. I can use my resource group RSG Pro 123. Then web instances, I have to use any unique web instance so that it is not duplicate. Webs, apps, just I'm taking a name so that it is unique. Webs, apps, okay, 777 for example. Now it's okay. I have to just toggle this switch so that the default name, host name is there. Webs, apps, 777 dot Azure websites.net. Okay, it is a code basically, and it will be runtime stack or it will be ASP.NET v4.8. Then it is Windows platform. Okay, region is loading the region. I will go for Europe region, for example. Okay, let's see. We have, I'll go maybe North Europe. Okay, and plan. Okay, let me default plan. We can create a new plan as well. Let me default plan. Azure pricing plan, basically this we are taking basically standard S1, that is 100 total Azure compute unit. But if you check, we have many different. So the different actually pricing plan is that we'll go with the standard. No issues. It depends on our need specifically. We can select the different plan. Okay, then go for the next to deployment. What here we have? Okay, no. Continuous deployment. If we say there is other option, GitHub authorize organization, no need to let it be disabled. Okay, then basic authentication is enable, and go to networking section. Okay, let it be enable public access. Okay, next. Okay, nothing is needed here. Let it be default. Enable application inside, it is yes. Okay, then we'll go for North Europe. We cannot change the default. We can say just tag not needed. We can say review plus create. Check the validation is passed. Then we can go for create. Okay, now it is passed. We can go for create. Deploying now. Let's finish this. Deployment is in progress. It will take few seconds to complete. Be patient. Still it's in progress. Completed, done. Deployment successful. Okay, go to resource. Perfect, now it is ready. Domain name is websapps777.azure website.net. Okay, just let us go to the web deployment center. If you check here this web apps, copy this domain name, go to another tab, just paste it there and see now this website is app is running. This app is running, waiting for the content. Okay, let's add some content so that we can see our website. Okay, here I will go to my deployment center, and for uploading the content we must use here some FTP server. So I'm going to use FileZilla. I already installed that FileZilla in my machine. You can also download from website and you can install in your machine. Okay, just go to the FTP credential. Here I have this username, password and endpoint. Okay, select the endpoint first. Go to FileZilla, paste Just let me clear this box. Okay, paste in the host. Okay, then go back again to your FTP credential, copy the username. Okay, go back to FileZilla, paste it here in the user. Again go back to your web credential, copy the password and paste your password here. No need for any port, just connect. If I connect, see it is connected now. Okay, it must show me here now. It's okay. It's showing me www root folder. Here is one host. Hosting start HTML, this default which we have seen in the default page. Just delete this one. Okay, and I have created a web page I will be using here. For example, I have already this is my desktop, C drive, administrator, desktop, web pages, Europe. I have created two pages, Europe and USA, so that I can show you the redundancy option. So I will select the Europe and I will copy these two files and I will move to the server, drag and drop. Now this file copying done. Okay, here just no need for FileZilla now, it's already finished work. Now we have to go to our configuration and we have to see here I have a default page by Azure. This default page, the configuration, default documents, here we have hosting start.htm. So I will change this one to my name. What was my name? Install file, see sample.htm. So I will change with sample.htm. Okay, remove this file. Sample.htm. Okay, just save this. Save. Okay, this is done. Let's go and refresh our page. Let's see what is happening now. Still not updated, maybe. Just let me refresh. Let me refresh my web apps. See, now I have got the page, this page for Europe. I have created here two pages. If I show you, this one Europe and one for US. Okay, just I will show you. In my desktop I have web pages. See here I have Europe, two files, and I have US also, two files. So this I am using. Okay, let it continue. So we'll go for the another web apps. Just go, we'll do faster because video is going to be longer this time. Okay, we'll go to home page. We'll again create a app services. I'll go to the create new app. Okay, web apps. Then I will create here same resource group I'm going to use, resource group pro 1 2 3, and the instance name webs apps, this time 888, before it was 777. Okay, let it be webs apps 888.azure website.net. Okay, perfect. Go to code. Okay, connect here. Runtime stack, we have a ASP.NET v4.8. this time we'll use a US. Okay, US. Before it was a Europe, I think. Okay, East US. Okay, then we are going to have. Okay, let it be default plan. Compute is same. Okay, then we will go for next. Okay, then here control deployment no need. We'll go for basic authentication, enable. Next. Okay, networking, public access, yes, on. Next. We have monitor plus secure. Okay, application is in East US, perfect. Okay, let it be. No need for tag, just will recreate. Now it is okay, just let's create. Validation is passed. Let's see it's deployed successfully. Wait for few seconds. I'm pausing this video, I'll get back again. Okay, now yeah, second web instance is also running, web app 778. Okay, now what we will do, we will again go to deployment center and add the page which we have created for US. Okay, go to FTP credential. Here we have FTP endpoint, copy this, go to FileZilla, first clear before one. Okay, paste here, then go to again use FTPS username, click the user, copy username, paste it the user box, again go to password, copy password and paste it here. No need for port, just quick connect. Okay, perfect, we are connected now. Then we have to see the default page here, same, we will remove the default page like before. We will add our USA page. This USA page is here. I will copy and I will drag and drop to my server website. Okay, done, completed. Now FileZilla work is finished. Go back to our configuration. Okay, now here in the default document page, remove this one. Sample.html. Okay, just save, continue. Perfect, refresh now, updated. Okay, still updating website settings, successful. Just refresh, continue. Okay, now see our this web instance is basically 778. Before it was 888, but I changed, there was some error. Then 778. Okay, then this is running in central US. Okay, then okay, let's copy and check this is working. This USA, before this Europe, we have two pages. Okay, now let's connect with the traffic manager. Okay, go to our default page, go to home. We have a traffic manager here, use traffic, create a new traffic manager. Okay, give any name, for example website TRA website tra1 for example dot traffic manager dot net. Okay, the routing method we have different routing methods here: performance based, weight based, priority based, geographic based, multi value based, subnet based. What you want actually, but we want performance based, the best and default one. My subscription is there. Select your source group. My source group is RSG project 123. Okay, my resource group region is UAE North. Okay, let it be. My resource group region is UAE North. My web instances in Europe and US, two different locations. Okay, just create. Submitting. Okay, deployment in progress. Okay, done. Go to resource. See, we have here traffic manager. Now we have to add endpoints. So here in the endpoint we have to check configuration. This is default routing method which we have selected. There it is same. No need to do any changes. Just go to endpoints and add the endpoints. Add. Okay, my endpoint name is your endpoint. Okay, and point 1. Okay, we have a app service. Select app service. Target, we have, see here we have two: North Europe and US. Okay, select first North Europe. Okay, just say add. Okay, then perfect. Select again next endpoint, endpoint 2. Endpoint 2, app service. We have all option here: cloud service, app service slot, public IP. We have app service. Okay, our target is now US, web app 778. Okay, just add. Okay, perfect, done. Okay, just we have to see here we have two endpoints created. Okay, let's copy the URL and see what is the status. I copied this URL. I go to my new website. I will say just paste. This still some issue we have. Maybe not updated. We need refresh. Let's change the browser. I will check. Connection, yes, perfect. Continue. Proceed. Perfect. We have got page. Okay, how to see how load balancing is happening or not? If you go to our website and our portal and we try to turn off this basically USB, sorry, here in the load balance it was a Europe page, web traffic, it is a Europe page. So if I turn off the Europe side, then it should come to USA. Okay, let's go to our portal, that is endpoint 1, Europe 1. Endpoint 1, let it stop. Okay, once we stop, we have to stop this. If I open again, I refresh. Okay, let's go to another browser, check what is. perfect. Continue. Still maybe we need to refresh. Just go to home page, refresh. Let's go to another. Every time we have to change the portal, actually the we have to clear a history, or we have to change the portal, because let me refresh my instances, app services, refresh. Okay, now continue. Now see, this time US. Perfect. We have done Azure app services. We have created two different websites. We use FileZilla to upload the website content, and then we create traffic manager, and then we connected both the web instances as an endpoint in the traffic manager, and we can see now it is working fine. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you feel this web video is informative and useful for us, kindly like and subscribe and share it. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.